And I want to show you a hotspot kind of question that you're going to see on the test. So we have some directions here. Point at the correct area or areas on the image. Drag a hotspot marker to change its position. Okay, so Jewell County arrests on July 7th were twice the amount of Gentry County's arrests. Together, the counties arrested 35 persons. And that's a typo. I think that should be 135 persons. Click on the graph to indicate the number of arrests on July 7th in Jewell County. Okay, so now in this case we have a picture, and here we have what's called a hotspot, and you can drag that and move that and do that, and oh, you can put 2 there. I don't think I really wanted to do that, but if it gives us instruction to, okay, we can change its position, but I don't know so okay, here we go, clear. So we're going to clear it. So if you make a mistake like I just did on these hotspots on the GED test, you can just simply clear it. And again, this is how I've designed it. So if you make a mistake and put it there, and or you actually do another one, you do another one, then you can hit clear, and it's all good. You get a new lease at life. So now let's look at the question again. So we see this is Jewell County's arrest from July 1st through July 7th, 2013, and here's the date of the month down here, and then here is the 7th day of the month here, so number 7 for July 7th. So the question is, on the arrest on July 7th was twice the amount of Gentry counties. So that's a different county. We don't have a chart for it, but let's continue. Together, the counties arrested, and as I said, that's a typo, 135 persons. Click on the graph to indicate the number of arrests on July 7th in Jewell County. So now we're going to go back. But before we do that, we're going to establish so we know that Jewell County's arrests on July 7th were twice the amount of Gentry. So we don't know how many. We just know that they were twice the amount. And then we know together they were 135. So now let's go ahead and do our representation. So we're going to go back, and we're going to add another whiteboard here. Okay, and so then we're going to come over here, and we're going to get our text going. So we're going to have Jewell County was twice that of Gentry, and we know together they were 135. So again, you understand the skill of representation by now. So the 2x is representing Jewell, and we don't know, and then the x is representing Gentry, which we don't know, but we know together they were 135. So let me get my text back here. So again, combining like terms, 2x plus x is 3x, and that is going to be equal to 135, and then that's x times 3, so the opposite of that is going to be x divided by 3. If you do it to that side, you got to for sure do it to that side, and then x is going to be 45. Okay, so now let us go back to the question. So again, the question is asking us to place the hotspot marker to indicate the number of arrests on July 7th in Jewell County. So here's Jewell County. July 7th is empty. We have to place it. So we know that Gentry County had 45 arrests because they were X in our translation of this text to number. And then we know that Jewell County was twice that amount, so 2 times 45 is 90. So we're going to take our hotspot marker and put it here on the 7th, and we're going to put our 90 right there, and that is how we would do a hotspot question. And so we would submit it, and that answer would be correct. So again, on the GED test, you're going to see all kinds of things. You're going to see the drop-down menu. You're going to see the multiple choice questions. You're going to see the fill in the blank questions, and there are a few other kinds of questions I didn't cover tonight, but we'll cover them at a future time.